You just got paid. Your bank account looks good for the first time in 2 weeks. But let me ask you a question. Will you still have money left next Friday? If you are like most Americans, the answer is no. In the next few minutes, I will show you the 3 biggest mistakes you make after payday, and more important, exactly how to fix them. Stay till the end because mistake number 3 is costing you over $4,000 every year. Welcome to Smart Money Path. Here we make money simple, no confusing words, no fake promises, just real tips that work for real people. If you are new here, subscribe and hit the bell. Let's get started. Mistake number 1 is what I call the spending rush. Here's what happens. Your paycheck hits at midnight. By 5 minutes later, you are already online shopping. By lunch, you bought expensive coffee and ordered food. By Friday, half your check is gone. Why? Because your brain feels rich. It is called mental accounting. You think this money is extra, but it is not. It is your rent, your bills, your future. The fix is simple. It is called pay yourself first. Before you spend $1, move money to savings. Start with just 10%. If you make $3,000, move $300 to a separate savings account. Do it automatically. Your bank can do this for you. One of my subscribers, Mike from Texas, did this. In 6 months, he saved $1,800 without feeling it because he never saw the money. Mistake number 2, the credit card trap. You get paid. You see your credit card bill. You think, I will pay the minimum. I will pay more next month. That thinking costs you thousands. Here is the math. If you have a $2,000 balance and pay only the minimum, it will take you 12 years to pay off, and you will pay $1,500 in interest. The fix? Use the Payday payment method. On Payday, open your credit card app. Pay everything you can, not just the minimum. Pay $100, $200, or $500 extra. Every extra dollar you pay today saves you $3 in the future. Set a reminder on your phone. Every payday equals credit card check. Mistake number 3 is the biggest. No plan. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear. Most people do this. Get paid, pay bills, spend the rest, wonder where it went. You need a payday plan. It takes 5 minutes. Step 1. Write down your take-home pay, let's say $3,000. Step 2. List your fixed bills, rent, car, phone, maybe $1,800. Step 3. Decide your savings. 10% is $300. Step 4. What is left? $900. This is for food, gas, and fun. Divided by 4 weeks. You have $225 per week. Now you have a plan. Every dollar has a job. This one habit can save you $4,000 per year because now you are in control. So let's recap. After payday, stop the spending rush. Pay yourself first. Second, attack your credit card balance. Don't just pay the minimum. Third, make a 5-minute plan. Give every dollar a job. Do these 3 things and next payday will feel different. You will have money left. If this helped you, hit the like button. It helps this channel grow. Comment below, which mistake are you going to fix first? Subscribe to Smart Money Path for more simple money tips every week. I will see you in the next video.